Want to split the cost of your recurring subscription boxes or services into manageable payments? In this video, I'll show you if and how you can use Klarna for subscribe and save. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While Klarna isn't designed for recurring subscriptions in the same way as a credit card, you have a clever workaround. Klarna's Pay in 4 inches is for one-time purchases. However, many subscription box companies treat each monthly shipment as a new, one-time transaction. At checkout for your first box, simply select Klarna's Pay in 4 inches as your payment method. You'll pay for the first box over 6 weeks. When the next month's box ships and you're charged again, that will be a new Klarna purchase, which you can also split into 4 payments. A crucial pro tip: this means you could have multiple active, Pay in 4 inches plans for the same subscription. Keep track of your total Klarna spending to ensure you don't overextend your budget across multiple installment plans. And just like that, you can make your favorite subscriptions more budget-friendly. Using Klarna for subscribe and save requires careful management but is possible. What subscription service would you love to split into payments? A beauty box, a meal kit, or something else? Let us know. For alternative payment, subscribe for our next video on how to pay Klarna with a gift card. Thanks for watching.